In this video, I'll show you how to change your username on Peacock. Step 1. Log into Peacock. Go to peacocktv.com or open the Peacock app. Log in with your email and password. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Click your profile icon, usually on the top right, and select Account or Settings from the menu. Step 3. Edit profile details. Look for profile, personal information, or username. Click the edit or pencil icon next to your username. Step 4. Change your username. Type in your new username and select Save. Wait for the confirmation message. Step 5. Troubleshooting. If you can't change your username, try logging out and in again or clearing your browser cache. If the option is missing, contact Peacock support. Now I have some tips for changing your username. Usernames must be unique and follow Peacock's guidelines. Changes may require email verification, and you can contact Peacock support for help if needed. And that's how you change your username on Peacock. If this video was helpful, please subscribe.